explosion. Explosion, what are booms? Explosion. Mission is Impossible is the example of the action movie. Can you give me an action movie? Do you know? Can you give me an action movie? Spider-Man, yes. What else? The Marvel movies, those are
ตัวอย่า
action.
งที่เป็นหนังแอคชั่น
We also have here the Fast and Furious movie.
โก้ครับเรื่องโก้
Okay, next. What is it? Okay. So when you take a video client and then you're going to gather some information based on the facts, we call it the documentary. Okay, everybody speaking with documentary. Documentary is, okay, can you read together? Non-fiction. Non-fiction films. The documentary